I'm going to be showing you how to change your age on Facebook. Changing your age on Facebook is a simple process, but it's important to note that you can change your age only a few times. First, you need to open the Facebook website or app. If you're using the website, go to facebook.com. If you're using the app, tap on the Facebook icon on your home screen. Once you're on the Facebook website or app, tap on the three dots button from the bottom right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Account Center. On the Account Center page, tap on Personal Details. Now tap on Birthday. On the Personal Information page, tap on the Edit button next to your birthday. A pop-up window will appear. Enter your new birth date in the fields provided. Once you've entered your new birth date, tap on the Save button. Additional tips. If you're under the age of 13, you will not be able to change your age on Facebook. You can only change your age on Facebook only a few times, so please be sure when you want to change it. And that's it. Now you know how to change your age on Facebook. I hope this guide has been helpful. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.